What's up guys, Flagship here. I'm so excited to get the OnePlus 8 Pro today, and I got the mint color, which I think is the best color for the OnePlus 8 series. Alright, so let's check it out. So this is the front of the box, and this is side with all brand new OnePlus logo here, and this is the back. Have some labels. Alright, let's unbox it. Let's get started from the top here. Just cut the plastic and peel it off. Alright, it's sealed so tight. Wait. Alright, here it is. Wow, really nice. I have some more expectations for the OnePlus 8 series when compared to the last generation, I mean the OnePlus 7 series. Alright, it's in an orange box. Have an 8 number in the top. Alright, let's open it up. So this is the top lid of the box. Orange color, looks pretty nice. And then is the phone OnePlus 8 Pro. And this is front with screen protector. And this is the back. Wow, looks nice. And here is the phone tray. Wow. And there is a slogan, never settle. And here, I think it's the use manual. We can get something from here. Wow, it's a pin to take out your SIM card. And this is a warranty card, also never settle. And this is a card from OnePlus, and this is start guide in Chinese. Okay, looks good. And here is a phone case. I think this is a transparent TPU case for OnePlus 8 Pro. And here is the charging cable in red. And here we got the watt charger, 30 watts. Wow, looks good. It also has a OnePlus logo on the top. And okay, let's move on. So this is accessories, and let's put it aside and let's check out the phone here. So first we need to take away the screen protector here. Wow, the mint color is really nice. I have dreamed this color for a long time, and I think this is the best color for the OnePlus 8 series. You can see different color from different sides. And this is the front, this is the bottom, and this is the top. Looks really nice. The mint color. Except the mint color, they also have a black color, but I got the mint color. I like this color much better. And here is OnePlus logo, and here is camera, and here is OnePlus logo in the bottom. Alright, so this is unboxing, and I will make a full review video. Thank you guys for watching this video, and have a nice day.